Hello everyone, this is a video about this Sony WH-1000XM4 it has been launched 3 or 4 weeks ago, and I gone to go down to Curry's and purchase this for under £350, but I have to tell you I am rather very disappointed because I have some problems with this, with the new features that they have added, as well as other problems. So I'm going to show you this, and this video is not about testing and showing you how great this one sounds and the noise cancelling and all of that. I'm afraid that is not the case in this video, and I'm just going to warn you that there are some problems with this. And at the end of this video, I ask you to just wait for a little while to sort out all of those problems and then purchase it. Anyhow, this is the box. I get everything out of the box and we talk more. When you get everything out of the box, this one coming out like a drawer, and this is where I put this aside for the time being. And then, as normal, it's just 2 steps up connecting this item. This is the item itself, and these are the warranty and instruction manual and some sort of voucher for 360 reality audio. And this is really thick, but this video is not about all of these. I put them aside and nothing else is in here, and the box is really solid. And this is the item itself in the case, and the case has a zip that it says Sony, and it has this storage area that is so tight, and if you put something in there, when you put it on the table, it's gonna be wonky. So I don't advise anyone to put anything thick in there. Anyhow, this is the headphone itself. I opted for this color, beige or cream or whatever that you call this color. So first, let me show you what is in the box. Is as usual a direct connection cable, 3.5 millimeters, and then it has this airplane connector that I don't know why they are including this, because no one is using it. Maybe if you are traveling in first class, maybe you are gonna use this. And then the charging cable and the data cable for upgrading or whatever that you want to do with that headphone in the future. And they are saying this one is a fast charging headphone, and is because of this, because it's very short and very thick, good quality copper cable. That's why it's a fast charging. And if you connect it to a longer cable, is going to be normal and is going to bore you to hell until it's going to get it fully charged. Anyhow, I hope they are going to add another cable a little bit longer and better quality for the future. Anyhow, this is the item itself, and as you notice, it has this is one of the new feature, that it has a proximity sensor. When you take it off your head and put it back on, it just pauses and resumes the play. And if you playing some music or video, it just does that with both of them. And they are saying that the pads are a little bit longer or wider, more comfortable, and this part is a little bit thicker than the older one, but is minute really. I don't think is that much. So I show you all around this. And they are saying another new feature on this is that you can connect this to 2 devices at the same time, and I have problem with that. And I tell you that whenever I'm trying to connect or the pairing of the second device, it just says simply cannot connect. So I got in touch, and they sent me some sort of instructions as to how to rectify the problem, like resetting this, and have you done the updating of the software and Android, latest Android version? Yeah, I have done that, and still the problem persists. And I got in touch with them, and I explained that the problem remains, and I'm gonna report back to you as to what had happened and what is going to be the result of this very expensive purchase for £350. And then the second problem that I'm having with this, it has a feature that's called speech to talk or talk to speech. That whenever it detects that you are talking, it pauses this music and lets you to have a conversation while the noise cancelling is turning the noise cancelling off. And then after your conversation is finished and you stop talking, after 15 seconds, is minimum of 15 seconds is coming back on, and you can adjust that time anyhow, just to let you know. But I am when I am in a room on my own and I'm listening to a song and I don't have any pets, and this item, this talk to speech or speech to talk, it just activates itself and sounds the alarm and to letting me know that that feature is activated, and I have to wait for 15 seconds for the item to go back on playing the music. So this was the other new feature that I have, that they added to this, and I have problem with that one as well. And then the third one is the touch sensors here, that sometimes it doesn't work at all, and in order to get it back on, you have to turn the item off and on again until the touch sensor activates or operates properly again. So these are the three problems that I'm having with this headphone. Great headphone, and the sound quality, is not better than that much better than XM3, that you have to pay another £150, because at the moment the XM3 goes for £200, and brand new, minimum of £200, and you can buy it from Amazon for £220. But I'm just saying that this new version has some teething issues, and is better for you guys to just wait for 3 months, at least 3 months, for all of these issues to be rectified via the app or the software upgrade of this item, and then purchase it. Otherwise, you are going to end up disappointed like myself. So I thought it worth letting my viewers know about the issues that I'm having, to just wait for a while and then purchase this item later on when they sorted out all of these issues. Anyhow, this is the end of the video. I hope you like this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.